Welcome to Financial Works, the channel where we help you turn your passion into profit. In today's video, we're going to show you how you can make money online with a YouTube cooking channel in 2024. Whether you're a chef, a cook, or a foodie, you can share your culinary skills and knowledge with millions of viewers and earn some extra income in the process. YouTube is the second most popular website in the world, with over 2 billion monthly active users. It's also a great platform for content creators who want to showcase their talent, grow their audience, and monetize their videos. And one of the most popular and profitable niches on YouTube is cooking. So, how can you start your own successful YouTube cooking channel in 2024? Well, there are a few steps you need to follow, and we're going to break them down for you in this video. Step 1. Find your niche and target audience. A niche is a specific topic or category that you focus on, and a target audience is the group of people who are interested in that topic. Finding your niche and target audience will help you stand out, attract loyal viewers, and create relevant and engaging content. There are many different types of cooking niches you can choose from, such as vegan, gluten-free, keto, budget-friendly, ethnic, or gourmet. The key is to find something that you're passionate about, knowledgeable about, and that has a decent amount of demand and low competition. To find your niche and target audience, you can use tools like YouTube Analytics, Google Trends, and vidIQ. These tools will show you the demographics, interests, and behavior of your viewers, the popularity and seasonality of different topics, and the search volume, competition, and optimization score of different keywords. Step 2. Plan and create your content. Content is the most important part of your YouTube channel, as it determines the quality, value, and appeal of your videos. You need to create content that is informative, entertaining, and inspiring, and that matches the needs and expectations of your audience. To plan and create your content, you need to do the following. Brainstorm ideas for your videos. You can use tools like Answer the Public, BuzzSumo, and YouTube itself to find out what people are searching for, talking about, and watching related to your niche. You can also ask your viewers for suggestions, or look at what other successful cooking channels are doing. Research and test your recipes. Before you film your videos, you need to research and test your recipes. You need to make sure that your recipes are accurate, easy to follow, and delicious. You can use online sources, cookbooks, or your own experience to find and tweak your recipes. You can also experiment with different ingredients, techniques, and variations to make your recipes more unique and creative. Write a script and a storyboard for your videos. A script is a written document that contains the words and instructions for your videos. A storyboard is a visual representation of your videos that shows the shots, angles, and transitions for your videos. Writing a script and a storyboard will help you organize your thoughts, deliver your message, and create a smooth and engaging flow for your videos. You can use tools like Google Docs, Celtx, or Storyboarder to write your script and storyboard. Film and edit your videos. To film your videos, you need to have the right equipment and setup. You need a camera, a tripod, a microphone, and a lighting system. You can use your smartphone, a digital camera, or a webcam as your camera. You can use a ring light, a softbox, or natural light as your lighting system. You can use a lapel mic, a shotgun mic, or a headset as your microphone. You can use a table, a counter, or a stove as your setup. To edit your videos, you need to have the right software and skills. You need a video editing program, a music library, and a graphic design program. You can use PowerDirector 365, Apple iMovie, Animoto, Lightworks, or Adobe Premiere Pro as your video editing program. You can use YouTube Audio Library, Epidemic Sound, or Artlist as your music library. You can use Canva, Photoshop, or GIMP as your graphic design program. Step 3. Optimize and upload your videos. Optimizing your videos means making them more searchable, clickable, and watchable on YouTube. You need to optimize and upload your videos in a way that maximizes your views, watch time, and engagement. To optimize and upload your videos, you need to do the following. Choose a catchy title and a compelling thumbnail for your videos. Your title and thumbnail are the first things that viewers see when they browse YouTube, so they need to be catchy and compelling enough to make them click on your video. You can use tools like CoSchedule Headline Analyzer, TubeBuddy, or vidIQ to help you craft your title and thumbnail. Write a descriptive and keyword-rich description and tags for your videos. Your description and tags are the second things that viewers see when they click on your video, and they also help YouTube rank your video in search results and recommendations. You need to write a descriptive and keyword-rich description and tags that include the main topic, the subtopics, and the benefits of your video. You can use tools like Google Keyword Planner, Keyword Tool, or vidIQ to help you find and use the best keywords for your description and tags. Add subtitles, cards, and end screens to your videos. Subtitles, cards, and end screens help you make your videos more accessible, interactive, and engaging. You can use tools like YouTube Studio, Rev, or Capwing to help you add subtitles, cards, and end screens to your videos. Step 4. Promote and grow your channel. Promoting your channel means spreading the word about your channel and attracting more viewers and subscribers. Growing your channel means increasing your channel's performance and potential. You need to promote and grow your channel in a way that boosts your visibility, credibility, and authority. To promote and grow your channel, you need to do the following. Share your videos on social media platforms. You can share your videos on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, or Reddit to reach a wider and more diverse audience. You can also join groups, forums, or communities related to your niche and share your videos there. You can use tools like Buffer, Hootsuite, or Later to help you schedule and manage your social media posts. Collaborate with other YouTube creators. You can collaborate with other YouTube creators by featuring them in your videos, inviting them to your videos, or doing a video swap with them. This will help you cross-promote your channels, expand your reach, and increase your exposure. You can use tools like Famebit, Grapevine, or CollabSpace to help you find and connect with other YouTube creators. Engage with your viewers and subscribers. You can engage with your viewers and subscribers by responding to their comments, asking them for feedback, creating polls, hosting live streams, or giving them shoutouts. This will help you build a loyal and active community, improve your retention, and boost your ranking. You can use tools like YouTube Studio, StreamYard, or TubeBuddy to help you manage and enhance your engagement. And that's it. These are the 4 steps you need to follow to make money online with a YouTube cooking channel in 2024. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.